Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys an air fried beef Polish chili dog with cheese. Okay? Here's my cheese right here. Now, I'm a fan of Kobe cheese. If you're not a fan, you can go get you some cheddar cheese or whatever type of cheese you like. This is my cheddar. My Kobe right here. And I have some beef Polishes with cheese in it. Now I got this from my local store here in Peoria, Illinois. This is from Raver's. Okay, and these mugs are delicious. So but you can go to the store and find you some beef chili dog. Some beef Polishes. I have 2 stalks of onions, green onions. I've decided to go with those. I got some bread over here. We're gonna be making like 3 or 4 or 5 of them or whatever, and this was going to make it bang right here. That chili man's chili right there. So gotta get you some of that. Got some mustard, and we're gonna go ahead and jump right into it. Here's my little pot for my chili. So here's my air fryer. I'm just gonna put these in there and cook them for about 10 minutes. Just throw them in there just like that. Make sure they're in there. That in there. I'm gonna warm this chili up just to get warm, nice and hot, and I'll show you guys how to put this stuff together. See you guys in a minute. 350. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. I'm gonna go ahead and check on these real quick. Put these on pause. See what we're looking at. Oh, those ready. You guys can see that? That's ready. All day. Cheese is burst open, the cheese and all this good stuff. We're just gonna let it go for about 45 more seconds and we're done. We're waiting on our chili. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. Here's my chili right here. I'm gonna go ahead and do one for you guys. We're going to do this one right here that's burst open. I'm going to sit that up in here, this bun, like so. And what I like to do is take some of this mustard right here. I know you guys can't see it. And I like to go on each side of that Polish. If I can get it going. That's my daughter in the background. Just like so. Okay? We're going to grab us some chili. Let me close this up so you can see what I'm doing over here. Grab you some chili right here. Now you can wait till this chili like cool down a little bit and we'll thicken up some more. Just like so. Grab us some cheese. Much as you want. You can pile it on there if you want to or not. Okay? And a few onions. Just like that. And that's how you do it. So you guys that up. Over there this thing is blocking my Polish. That's it right there. Air fried Polish sausage, or should I say beef Polish sausage with chili cheese. Alright, that's how that looks. I'm gonna go ahead and bite this one for you guys and set up the rest. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. You guys gotta try it. Take a bite. Oh my goodness. Take a bite of that. That is delicious. Oh my goodness gracious. I think I will be doing Polishes for a long time. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and set the rest of this stuff up and get my french fries on the plate with my Polishes, and I'll show you the presentation. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. I'm finally done. This is my presentation of my air fried beef Polish chili cheese dog. Alright, show you that up close. Some fries right there on the side. And yes, I'm gonna be throwing down some whites. No doubt about it. Okay, fam? That's how that looks. Alright guys. Go ahead and wrap this up because I'm ready to eat some of this. That Polishes was unbelievable. No doubt about it. Get you a can of this chili, man, with no beans, okay? Because I'm telling you, that's going to be the closest you're going to get. And I will leave you a link over here to my recipe of my chili cheese dogs, okay? So, saying that to say this, guys, if you like this video, please give me a like and a share. And please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to, that's right, please guys, come on. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. Much love. God bless.